You want to try spaghetti with real flavor? Don't boil it in water. Try this. If we're going to make this dish, we're going to start with Italian whole peeled tomatoes. And we're going to put most of them into 700 grams of water, reserving the rest in the can. Tomato paste. Add a tablespoon to the broth and a tablespoon to the can. And blend each until they're smooth. We want both of these to be smooth. A non-stick pan is going to make you look like a pro, but we need plenty of olive oil, even though it's non-stick. Olive oil is delicious, don't worry about it. And you know me, we're going to need garlic, chopped and whole. A little peperoncino, or not. Garlic and pots flavor different ways. Too raw and it's too strong. Overcooked and it's bitter. We're looking for golden brown. Like that. Now you can add the sauce. And give it a fry. And no need to cook this ahead. We're going to fry the spaghetti right in the sauce. I know you don't think this is going to work. It's going to work. But heat the tomato water. We're going to use that later. As the spaghetti softens, continue to spread it out. Remember, we want to fry this in the pan. Keep pressing and frying. This is based on Assassina, which literally means to murder that f***ing spaghetti. Turn that spaghetti over and keep frying. See, that's what you want. Look at all that flavor. Everything's fried, but we got to hydrate with that tomato broth. A few ladles at the time. Let it nestle in. And keep adding as you go. Basting and nestling. Nestling and basting. It's fun, isn't it? It's like a waltz. This recipe combines two great ideas. Assassina and spaghetti cocuzza. These little wheels got a mind of their own. And rolling all over the place. As that pasta absorbs the liquid, it's starting to get tender. Beautiful. But keep going, it's going to absorb all that juice. The gagootz, we got to fry in olive oil. Of course. Hear that? That's when you know it's ready. It's frying again. This is Assassina. It's not supposed to be al dente. It's okay. That spaghetti on its own, fantastic. With fried zucchini, I love fried zucchini. We didn't have to put any flour on that or nothing. Just out to drain and a little salt right away. Assassina. That spaghetti's murdered. But that fried zucchini on top is gonna make it beautiful. A few garlic chips. Keep it vegan or add Pecorino Romano. Buon appetito.
You need the pecorino.
Yeah.
That tomato, garlic, zucchini combo.
Yeah, I know.
That's a garden party right there. Holy those garlic chips, though. They're delicious.
I'm no vegetarian, but if I'm going, this is how I'm going.
They really are, though.